Illumination World and Logistics Limited. Camera, come, let's view the ambience of this lighting store. Guys, look at this light. Guys, look at this light. Look at this light. He used to move. Look at this light. Guys, I will never see that on this light. Guys, change them. Oh, see. Guys, see this light. You see they see mirror with fingerprint. I never see this one for my life. Guys, on this light. Guy, how these lights they work?
This light get fan, get Bluetooth. See the Bluetooth there for what? See the fan show you.
You see that fan? Get sticker. Guys, no see no read the ambience of the sticker now. See the fan. Guys, see guys, this one there. I never see this one for my life. Guys, on this light, make us see. Guys, see this light. You see the round circle, almost change. You see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, this light be like Uranus planet.
Go upstairs. It's still upstairs. Guy, like full upstairs.
Camera, come. We'll go upstairs. Camera, come.
Nice.
Guys, no, I see light. So here na number 1 for Port Harcourt. I never see where lights big like this. Camera, come. I see this light. See this light. Yeah, be like heaven. I never see this kind of place before. Guys, no, now see light. Guys, if you define light, come to Illumination World and Logistics Limited. It's located at number 62 Aji by Ada George. Jesus, I will never before. You didn't use it. You didn't change. Guys, shift. Let me see something. See this Illumination World and Logistics.